If you're always broke before the end of the month, then something needs to change. Because it's not just bad luck. It's not always your salary either. Most times, it comes down to habits. Welcome to Monetra, where we make money simple. Let's talk about the real reasons you're always broke, and how you can fix it. First, you don't have a plan for your money. A lot of people earn money, spend it however they like, and just hope there will be something left at the end of the month. But that almost never happens. Money needs direction. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear without you even realizing it. You'll look back and wonder, what did I even spend my money on? The solution is simple. Start with a basic plan. Know how much you earn. Know your main expenses. And decide ahead of time how you want to spend and save. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be intentional. The second reason is lifestyle inflation. This is when your spending increases as your income increases. You get a little more money, and suddenly your lifestyle changes. You start buying more things. You upgrade your phone. You eat out more often. And before you know it, you're earning more, but you're still broke. Nothing has really changed. Instead of improving your financial situation, you've just increased your expenses. A better approach is this. When your income increases, increase your savings first, not your lifestyle. That's how you actually move forward. Another major reason people stay broke is impulse spending. This one is very common. You see something online or in a store, and you buy it immediately. No planning, no thinking, just feelings. It might feel small in the moment, but these unplanned purchases add up over time. And that's how your money disappears little by little. A simple way to fix this is to pause. Give yourself 24 hours before buying anything that isn't essential. Most times, you'll realize you don't really need it. Another mistake is saving what is left after spending. Let's be honest, most of the time, there is nothing left. That's why saving doesn't happen. If you really want to build savings, you have to flip it. Save first, then spend what is left. Even if it's a small amount, it builds discipline, and over time, it grows into something meaningful. Finally, one of the biggest reasons people stay broke is because they are trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. They spend money on things that make them look successful: expensive clothes, unnecessary upgrades, and lifestyle pressure from social media. But the truth is, looking rich and being rich are not the same thing. In fact, many people who look rich are actually struggling financially. Real wealth is quiet. It's built over time, and it comes from discipline, not appearance. So instead of trying to impress people, focus on improving your financial habits. Because at the end of the day, your money should work for you, not for other people's opinions. The truth is simple. You don't need a perfect income to start doing better with money. You need better habits, better decisions, and consistency. Start small. Be intentional with your money, and stay consistent even when it feels slow. Because real change doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen.